Buenos dias. Buenos dias, amigas, amigos. Malecón Manny here. How are you doing today? Hoping you're having a fabulous day. I am right now in the front of the condominium. Give you the name of it. Neria Living. I think that's how you say it. It's the front door to it. Pretty nice. Give you a shot of the foliage going all the way to the top of the building. So we're renting the, it's an Airbnb. We're renting the top penthouse with, we have a pool up on top, and it's phenomenal, kids. So yeah, so this morning, I'm not going to showcase the condo yet inside, but today I just want to show you how long it takes to get to the beach. And I'm going to time it. And hold on a second here. So I got my stopwatch ready to go. Okay, so let me just walk down here a little further. The crossroads. All cobblestone streets here. Give you the shot of the condo too. One more time. Okay, and then down there is the beach. So let's get our timer here. Ready to go. Hit start, and we're off. Okay. It's been excellent weather. It's down here last year around the same time too. Probably seen one of my first videos from Bucerias, and just beautiful place. Lots to do down here. Pretty safe as far as I've seen from last year and this year. You'll see the policia presence here, but that's good. That's what you want. It's the high end. A lot of tourists down here, and yeah. What have we done so far? Oh, we've hit a couple local restaurants for breakfast and dinners. Last night, my brother-in-law, we went out to Pizzeria. So, got a lot of construction going on down on in Bucerias. Construction guys are hard at work going at it this morning. So what time is it now? It's just after 7 a.m. and the sunrise should be coming up pretty good. Should be able to catch it on the beach, hopefully. And walking down this way, so this be my and yours first visualization of going to the beach to Bucerias. Definitely need I think I expressed it in a couple other videos that going on these cobblestone streets, definitely wear your running shoes, not your flip-flops. A lot of ankle twisters. All right, how are we doing so far? 2 minutes 37 seconds. So it's going good. Going real good. Almost there. I'm using my GoPro 9. Had it last year, used it for a couple of my videos that I've done, and well, it's been working good. Some really good footage. Got the stabilizer on it going, so it should balance everything out for us. Pepsi doing his deliveries. Propane. Oh, we're getting close, kids. Getting close. I'll show you the timer as soon as we get to the water. How about that? So yeah, non-stop walk. $4.39. Can't beat that. Okay, kids. Sun's not quite up yet. Gonna get ready for that. Gonna start walking down. Maybe take a couple more pictures, videos, and I'll post them on this video. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Adios, kids.